I'm so excited today to have the honor to meet King O, who's gained infamy in his travel from Best Friends Sanctuary all the way to Queen Elle's castle in the Parrot Palace. Now he's got a pretty good life here, and I understand from Elle that he's served an important role as an avian ambassador and gets to go do educational programs at schools.
That's right.
And it's really wonderful that he talks about bullying and how important judging people by their appearance has nothing to do with what's in their heart and soul. And even though he's missing feathers, his soul is truly beautiful. So thank you for sharing King O with us, Elle. I'm sure all of his followers will be super excited to see him. Yay, O!
Yay!
Woo! Hello, King O. What are we doing? We're talking about King O.
Yay! Yippee!
Go, O. I know. I think Elle's a great hostess, too. O's very happy with Elle. Yeah, I agree completely. It's a pretty neat place. I'm glad you're happy, buddy. Go, O. Go, O. Yeah, you're a funny guy. You are a pretty bird, inside and out.